Hello, welcome to our channel Learn to Score. In this video, I am going to show how to solve linear equation having variables on both the sides. This is from linear equations in one variables chapter of class 8th. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you. Let us quickly recall linear equations in one variable first. Consider the following equations. First equation is 2x minus 7 equal to 35. And second equation is 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. Look at the first equation. You have 2x minus 7 equal to 35, right? It is a linear equation in one variable, right? Since the variable is only x and its power is 1. And the degree of this particular equation is 1. That's why you say that 2x minus 7 equal to 35 is a linear equation. Because the highest degree of the terms is 1, or otherwise you can say that degree of the equation is 1. That's why it is a linear equation, right? And since only x is the variable, we say that it is a linear equation in one variable, right? Another point you have to note here is the variable x is only lying on the left hand side of the equation, right? For that reason we say that this is a linear equation having the variable on one side. Got it? We have learned about how to solve this kind of equations in the previous video. Now let's look at the second equation, that is 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. When you look at this, here you have only one variable, that is x, right? And if you look at the powers of these, that is 1. That's why we say that 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5 is a linear equation in one variable, right? That is variable x. But when you observe this x, the variable x is present on right hand side and it is present on left hand side also. For that reason we say that this is a linear equation having the variable on both the sides. In this video we are going to learn how to solve these kind of equations. Got it? Let's take a look at a problem. Solve 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. We are going to use transpose method. Let us transpose 2x of 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5 to the LHS. You have 2x here, right? We want to transpose this onto the left hand side of the equation. When you do that, this 2x, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 2x, right? Let me write that. So it can be written as 4x minus 2x minus 1 equal to 5. Got it? When you simplify it, you can say that 4x minus 2x is 2x. Let me write that. 2x minus 1 equal to 5. This is a linear equation which is equivalent to the given linear equation, right? We have simplified this equation such that we got it as 2x minus 1 equal to 5. This particular one is a linear equation in one variable. That too, the variable is on one side of the equation. Got it? Now, the term containing variable is 2x, right? We have minus 1 here. We want to transpose that minus 1 to the right hand side. You want to transpose this minus 1 to the other side. When you do that, it becomes plus 1, right? So I can write it as 2x equal to 5 plus 1. It means 2x equal to 6, right? Now you observe this. I want to find the value of x, whereas here 2 is multiplying x, right? It means I can transpose number 2 from this side to the other side such that I'll get the value of x. Let's do that now. Let's transpose 2 of 2x equal to 6 to the RHS. When you do that, it is going to divide number 6, right? So I can write the equation as x equal to 6 by 2. It means x equal to 3. So the solution we are looking for is x equal to 3. We can say that x equal to 3 is the solution of the equation 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. How do I confirm that? Or how do I verify that? To verify that, what I can do is I can take x equal to 3 and substitute on left hand side. Then you will get some value, and substitute on the right hand side also. then you will get some value, right? If both the values are same, then you say that x equal to 3 is the solution and that is verified. Let's do that now. To do that, let me first substitute x equal to 3 into LHS, that is 4x minus 1. When you substitute x equal to 3, it can be written as 4 times 3 minus 1, right? That is 12 minus 1, that is equal to 11. Now let's take RHS. RHS is 2x plus 5. Let's substitute x equal to 3 into 2x plus 5. It means it becomes 2 times 3 plus 5, that is 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11. You see, LHS we got the value as 11 and RHS also we got the value as 11. That's why we say that x equal to 3 is the solution to the given equation. And the solution is verified. Got it? Let us solve another problem. That is, Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damni. 6 years ago, Hema was thrice as old as Damni. Find their present ages. You're given two statements. The first one is Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damni. And the second statement says that 6 years ago, Hema was thrice as old as Damni. Now, I say that if you know the present age of Damni, you will know present age of Hema from the first statement, right? So, let me assume that the present age of Damni as x. If the present age of Damni is x, then Hema is 24 years older, right? It means the present age of Hema is going to be x plus 24, right? Now, the second statement says that 6 years ago, Hema was thrice as old as Damni. Now, let me write what is the age of Damni 6 years ago. 6 years ago, Damni's age is going to be x minus 6, right? The present age is x. In 6 years ago, it is going to be x minus 6. Now, let's see, the present age of Hema is x plus 24, right? What is the age of Hema 6 years ago? That is going to be x plus 24 minus 6, right? Now, when you look at the second statement, it says that 6 years ago, Hema was thrice as old as Damni, right? It means that there is a relation between these two expressions. X minus 6 is age of Damni 6 years ago, right? And age of Hema 6 years ago was x plus 18, right? X plus 24 minus 6 is x plus 18. So there is a relation between these two ages, x plus 18 and x minus 6. That relation is Hema was thrice as old as Damni. Hema's age was thrice as old as Damni. Hema's age was 8x plus 18, right? That is, thrice means 3 times the age of Damni 6 years ago. That is x minus 6, right? X plus 18 equal to 3 times x minus 6. Let's simplify this equation so that I can write it as x plus 18 equal to 3x minus 18. Now I have multiplied this particular 3 with x such that I got 3x, and 3 times minus 6 is minus 18, right? Now x plus 18 equal to 3x minus 18, right? We want to solve this equation. When you observe this equation, the variable x is there on both the sides, right? And the power of x is 1 in both the terms. That's why we say that highest degree of this expression or this equation is 1. That's why it is a linear equation in one variable, that is x, and the variable is present on both the sides of the equation, right? Now we want to solve this equation using transpose method. Let us transpose 3x present here onto the left hand side. Since it is plus 3x, when it goes onto the other side, it becomes minus 3x, right? Let me write that. X minus 3x plus 18 equal to minus 18, right? Now, you can write this x minus 3x as minus 2x, right? So the equation now becomes minus 2x plus 18 equal to minus 18. Now observe this, you have plus 18 here. I can transpose this onto right hand side. When I do that, this plus 18 becomes minus 18, right? So the equation becomes minus 2x equal to minus 18 minus 18. When you simplify it, it can be written as minus 2x equal to minus 36, right? Now look at this. I have variable x and minus 2 is multiplying this. It means I can transpose minus 2 from this side to the other side, right? Let's do that. Transpose minus 2 to the right hand side. So since it is multiplying x on the left hand side, when it goes on to the right hand side, it is going to divide minus 36, right? Let me write that. So x equal to minus 36 divided by minus 2, right? Minus by minus is plus. For that reason, I can write the equation as x equal to 36 by 2, that is equal to 18. X equal to 18 is one solution we are looking for, right? That is the present age of Damni. So x equal to 18 is the solution for this particular equation. That is the present age of Damni. Now we can get present age of Hema also by using this equation, right? Present age of Hema is x plus 24. That is 18 plus 24, that is equal to 42. You see, now you have 18 as the present age of Damni and 42 as the present age of Hema, right? I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn to Score. Thank you.